Hello everyone, myself Vinod, and today I would like to share a few things that I learned during these last months of lockdown. I'm pretty sure we all are going through way tough times one could have ever imagined. Neither our parents nor our great grandparents would have ever seen or anticipated such days, but we are going through it. Governments around the world, medical and research institutes are trying their way best to find the cure as soon as possible. And until then, it's our duty to abide by the rules and regulations that are being prescribed by our authorities, staying safe, keeping ourselves sanitized, staying indoors unless until it's too necessary to go out. We need to abide by these rules unless the cure is found. I know it's pretty tough for us to staying locked down for such a long period, but this is the time we need to cooperate with our authorities. So the things that I learned during these last times were all connecting to one dot, that is unpreparedness. Now, whom will we blame for such unpreparedness? The governments, the medical institutes, us? No. We can't blame any single individual or authorities because these times are just not what we say, just can't be anticipated. So, by this, what I would like to put your notice on is staying unpreparedness was the worst thing that's happening, and we are all suffering due to it. So the thing that I would like to prescribe further connects these unpreparedness. Mishappenings do happens over and over. So see, there are few things that are in our control and few things that aren't in our control. Mishappenings are part of not in our control thing, and what's in our control is the preparedness that we put in over the period. So this COVID taught us way more things than one could have ever imagined. Preparedness is certainly the one among it. So elaborating this preparedness further, the first one among it is staying mentally strong. So most of all confuses staying mentally strong with staying positive. No, that's not the case. Staying positive is one aspect of staying mentally strong, because staying mentally strong is way wider term as it sounds. What I mean by staying mentally strong here is looking at the things as it is, following the facts, the actual results, and not just taking things for granted, or neither putting ourselves in more stressed or depressed way. See, it has happened, and it will go sooner or later. It will go, and until it goes, until the cure is found, we need to stay strong mentally. So things would we could do to keep ourselves mentally strong are meditation, learning new things. Many of my friends and associates are being learning these cooking, these entertaining stuff, and they are putting their mind to diverted things. See, a blank mind is a devil's head, we all know. Tough times will come and go, but staying strong, mentally strong, is one of the aspects that will keep us going. Okay, so we can keep ourselves mentally strong by meditation, by indulging in learning new things. The second thing that comes after staying mentally strong is staying physically fit. Now I know the both the first and the second things are mostly connected, but there is a slight difference between the two. Staying physically fit is must. So one can do home workouts, yoga, or they can actually focus on their proper nutritious diet if possible. Everyone has have their own ways of staying physically fit as they may be convenient with. So first, staying mentally strong, staying mentally fit, staying physically fit, and the third one that comes is pretty usual but people do take it for granted often. The third one actually is staying financially strong. Now, when I say staying financially strong, I do not mean by having luxurious items, having bigger investments or bigger business houses. No. What I mean hereby is we all should make a habit of savings. Now, I know people who take things for granted, put all their income in jeopardize, and later on they keep suffering during these such tough times. So, smaller savings give us good hope, and our survival instinct improves. Finance do help us in our tough times by through our basic necessities like food, clothing, and shelter. Why I put this financially strong thing in third position is I'm actually seeing people who are struggling for even basic necessities like food and shelter. Now, I won't wholly blame them for their lean behavior, but I will blame their lack of awareness as to savings behavior. No matter what amount you can do, savings are must. Yes. So, revising these 3 points: staying mentally strong, staying physically fit, and staying financially strong, these three things can help us in our any situation, any future mishappenings that may happen, may God forbid. But staying prepared is in our hands, and we just can't let it go. I am hoping the vaccine is found as soon as possible, and until and unless it is found, we need to stay positive. We need to stay with our family. We need to avoid social gatherings. So that was it. I would like to make more such videos on social commentary, social problems, your daily life problems, the things you couldn't just solve, or say you need a decision making thought process. We can talk on it and we can mutually find the solution. For then, you can message me on my Instagram handle. I'll put it in the description. So, till then, take care, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thank you.